Okay, good evening. It's December 11th, 2025. The purpose of this video is an experiment. This is trial one, installation one of an experiment. We're gonna see acquiring the taste for olives. So I haven't had an olive in quite a while, and I remember them being pretty disgusting. So I'm gonna see if I can acquire the taste for an olive, and I'm gonna do this, I hope every day is the intention, and I'm just gonna try an olive and any thoughts and impressions, and I'll give it a rating. So I have a jar of dark olives, Kalamata olives, pitted, and then I have green olives, also pitted. We're just gonna do this real quick, and I also have a glass of water. Cleanse the palate. So I'll do green first today. I don't know really the difference. I'm not an olive guy. But we'll do green first. Easy as that. So we'll go quick. Before any impressions, I'm scared, and I think this is gonna be gross, and that's how I feel about it. I'm pretty intimidated. So let's see on the nose first. Okay, the smell doesn't smell that bad, but it doesn't really smell like something that I would want to eat. Just kind of smells like olive oil a little bit. Not as sharp as I remembered, not as like cutting. So all right, let's go ahead and let's eat it. So it's not great. Not great. Not as bad as I remembered. Probably a 3 on a scale of 1 to 10. Where a 10 is something that I actually would enjoy eating. Like a nice juicy grape or a plum. Could be a 10, a good plum. With the red inside, not the yellow inside. That'd be a 10. And a 1 would just be something foul that I can't even eat. So I'd call this a 3 right now. Honestly, these green olives aren't that bad. I'm not sure I've ever had a green olive before, but that was pretty doable. I didn't like the texture though. The texture is definitely kind of mushy and maybe a bit grainy. I'm not a big fan of the texture. All right. I'm a little bit more scared of the black olives. Well, of the way that they taste. Just because I think I've actually eaten more of these, and I remember them being pretty gross. There's more liquid in this jar. This jar is filled all the way to the top with liquid, and the green olive one wasn't. I don't know if that's if that's a thing. I don't know if there's a pickling that's kind of done with these. There's more liquid kind of in the spoon. See how it is on the nose. Almost smells a little bit like wine. Almost getting a little bit almost weirdly reminiscent of wine. So that's interesting. Maybe it'll be good. I've had more wine since probably the last time I had an olive. So maybe that's kind of prepared me for this without knowing. See how it goes. Okay. It's not as bad as I was expecting. It's definitely kind of mushy. Whereas the green olive had that kind of like crunchier, grainier texture. This one's a little mushy. I think that the taste on this one is a little bit less appealing than the green olive. A tad. I'd give that like a 2.5 out of 10. Overall, I think I have a more positive opinion on the olives on the get-go than I thought I would. I mean, I really thought I'd think they were super gross, but I think I can, if I'm being honest, I do think I could see how this could be enjoyed. I'm not there yet. So I think that I really do think that this is going to be a successful experiment as of right now, and I think I'm going to end up enjoying the olives. And that's all for now.